Hello, today we are solving May 2025 Unit 2 IAL paper, past paper. So question number 1, part B of the question. So here identify the appropriate option to finance the project, giving a reason for your choice. So there is a project going on with Metropolis Traffic PLC company, and they have two options of raising the finance. Option A is through the bank loan, other option B is through a funding package from a range of sources. So for this question, it is saying that we had in the part A of the question, we had calculated the weighted average cost, okay, of capital for WACC for option B. Okay, this was for option B, and it was around 10%. So now we can see that which is the appropriate option to finance the project and give a reason. Okay, the W. So option B seems to be cheap. Okay, it seems to be only 10%. So it should select a Metropolis Traffic PLC company. It should choose option B as a funding package. See, company, it should choose option B for finance, as it has lower WACC, okay, lower W weighted average cost of around 10% than option A, which has 11% per year. Okay, so this is the best option, whichever has the cheapest WACC. So you will use that